Good evening, folks. This is Sexiest Man Alive, Eli. Alright. Okay, today is January... Crap, I forgot what the day is. Anyway. Alright, the time right now is almost 10 o'clock. And we've been hit with another blizzard again. This makes the 5th blizzard since the winter of 2010-2011 started. Let's go. Holy crap, this shit got worse than last time. Alright. Current temperature right now is 34 degrees Fahrenheit, about 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is gonna be a tough one tomorrow. Sorry. Okay, today is Wednesday right now. Still can't remember that. Oh, alright. Today's January 26, 2011. Time right now is about 10 o'clock in the evening. Okay. Now, as I said earlier, today is Wednesday. Last Monday, I'm in New York City, by the way, in Ridgewood, Queens. Last Monday, the city was gripped with bitterly cold temperatures. I know up here it was like 10 degrees Fahrenheit. I know upstate New York had temperatures of 30 degrees below zero. Actually, I've seen a couple of videos where people were doing experiments of throwing hot water up in the air, see what happens there. Okay, this is Ridgewood, Queens. I'm at Woodward Avenue right now. I'm approaching Bleecker Street. Oh! Oh, did you guys just see that? We just had that was a strike of thunder right there. Oh my god, I can't believe this. I actually caught thunder snow. I'm 22 years old. This is the first time I've ever seen thunder snow. That is very rare. We just had a lightning strike here about, that was like 4 hours ago. Okay, well, science fact. This is lake effect snow, definitely. This is like the only type of storm sets associated with thunder snow. That was thunder snow just now, people. That is very rare. I've never seen thunder snow before. I'm 22 years old. This is the first time I've ever seen thunder snow. I know some thunder snow was here back in Blizzard 93. But this storm is definitely getting worse. Wow, I cannot believe this. I just caught thunder snow. That is very rare. Holy crap. Unbelievable, man. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was a good treat right there. Thunder snow. Wow. I cannot believe that shit. That's just amazing. Okay, well, the winter of 2010-2011 has been really active. We've had this is the 5th one now. Now, according to the radar on Google Earth, this storm is big. It is huge. It extends from West Virginia all the way up to Vermont at the moment. I think the sleet and the rain has passed. Now it's just pure snow. As you can see, the roads are starting to get slick, so are the sidewalks. I'm gonna have problems tomorrow morning. Alright then, well, until next time, Sexiest Man Alive, over and out.